Alright, I have a tip for you. We've drilled a 3/4 hole, but we need it to be an inch hole. Using a Forstner bit, if we're using our Forstner bit and we try to drill in to this, it's going to be a sloppy hole. So, and very inaccurate. So here's what we do. We take a scrap piece of 1/4 inch luan and we're going to drill a hole into this. Okay, now we have our desired hole size, and we're going to place it over the hole that we need to enlarge. And we'll use a scrap board on the back so that we don't blow the back side of our hole out. And I'm taking time to line it up to make it accurate as possible. So we've got it ready. It's clamped down. Our scrap board, the board we need the inch hole in, and our luan that acts as a shoulder here for our bit to rest in and guide it in to where we need it to be. So here we go. Nice clean hole. How about that? Thanks for watching.